Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this HeartSure automatic blood pressure monitor. So this one is a BP100 model. Then it shows here, this one is also made by Omron. Yeah, so Omron Healthcare. Then let's see here. So last reading memory, simple one-touch operation, display and blood pressure pulse. Then specification. So measurement method is oscillometric method. Measurement range is 22 to 80 millimeter of Hg mercury. Then pulse is 40 to 180 beats per minute. Then accuracy. Then battery life. So about 1000 measurements for a full alkaline batteries. So it comes with the four AA batteries. Okay. Okay. So this one is to measure, to be placed on the upper arm. Okay, then I just need to take this off, remove. Yeah, okay, so here's the this one and the other one. So it comes with the like instruction manual. Okay, so remove it from the plastic bag. So some protective layer. And this one to be attached to the arm. And also here is the battery. Yes, need to cut this. See, Maxell AA batteries. Oops. And then let's see. Probably this part, the battery, the bottom. So make sure the polarity is correct. Negative on the spring, then one more, then close this one. Then this part supposed to attach here. Okay, now it's there. So the instruction is place this the arm about 1 to 2 centimeters from the elbow. Okay, let's try this on. So I will measure my blood pressure. So just place it in my arm. Then it should be this way. Now I put this on top. About 2 centimeters from the elbow. Just loosen a little bit. It's really hard if you're doing it alone. So yeah. Then relax. Sit upright. Then feet flat on the floor. Okay, then measure. Just press this one. Should not move when you're doing measurement. 150/94. So it's elevated. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.